afternoon. Good afternoon. My name is Shamita Ramesh. I am studying in 2nd standard. Do you like math? Do you like math? Do you like math? Fine. Which topic do you like in the math? Fine. Do you like tables? Fine. Now, do you know what is the meaning of fun with math? Fun with math is joking with math. Now, I am going to explain here. Our topic name is multiples of 9. Now, I am going to give you one sum. Could you do within a minute? The answer is this is the answer. How means 9 nines are 81. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Math Expo. My name is Rahul. My friend name is Karthik. Our topic is parade of 8 with 9.
Our topic is parade of 8 with 9. Now first we want to multiply by 9 and we will get the answer as 8 because our topic is 8 with 9. So that if we multiply we will get all the answer as 8 because the topic is 8 with 9. So
Can you see any order?
here we can find a descending order from big to small.
Here also. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
The rule you should not change this number. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. My name is
Ashwathaman from 3rd B.
I am Rajeshwari Vaishnavi from 3rd B.
Do you know what we are going to do? I am going to do an experiment about static electricity.
Do you know what is mean by static electricity?
Static electricity is an access of electric charge trapped on surface of an object. Do you know what are these things called? This is a wonderful hand. This is a ball content grain.
This is a tissue paper and this is a roller. Can you make this roller to move without touching or blowing?
I can make.
We can make.
Take
a wonderful hand and rub with the tissue paper until it gets heat.
Now take the wonderful hand closer to the wheel. It will get attracted to the wonderful hand because when we are rubbing the wonderful hand with the tissue paper, electrons which present in the tissue paper get passed to the wonderful hand.
So static electricity is produced. So they both are attracting each other. Now let's try with the ball contain grains.
Again take a wonderful hand and rub it with the tissue paper. Now take the wonderful hand above the ball contain grain. The grains inside will start moving around because first when we are rubbing the wonderful hand with the tissue paper, the electron which present in the tissue paper get passed to the wonderful hand so that when we are keeping it above, the grains are attracting to the wonderful hand. Thank you.
Standard. I'm here to explain you about an experiment called why does an ion ship float? Do you have any idea why does an ion ship float? It's because an ion ship float because an ion ship it's so broad that it occupies volume. An iron nail, once I take this and I put it inside, it sinks because it has more density. Due to that, it also sinks and the volume is also not there because it's not so broad. And the principle behind this is Archimedes' principle of buoyancy, and the concept is an iron nail sinks because it has more density, but a small iron nail sinks and a big iron ship floats. This is due to a small iron nail has more density, so it sinks. But an iron ship, when its density combines with air, it becomes lighter. So by this, the volume is also more in the iron ship, so it floats. And when I take this and I put it, it replaces more water. So from the down, there is a pressure called a pressure, which pushes up the iron ship float upon the water. Thank you.
First standard. And can you say what is this? This is a car, and I made this car because nowadays you notice that many car accident occurs, and due to this car many people die. Good afternoon. I'm Rigmeti from 7th standard, and I'm going to explain about you two about safety car. Can you say what is this? This is a car nowadays, because I made this car because nowadays we notice that many car accidents occurs, and due to this car accident many people die. And now one of the reasons why people die is they don't wear the seat belt. Secondly, the teenager drive vehicles without the license, and due to the lack of experience and knowledge they make many car accidents, and in this accident many people may die. So this is the demo of this car. When the seat belt is not being connected, it starts beeping, and when license is not being connected, it again starts beeping. So it's mandatory to have both the things at a time. So if we implement this technology in real cars, at least it will save nearly 90% of the people life in from these accidents. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Shinjini. I am from 4th B. Now I am going to explain my experiment to you. Imagine that you are back from your work and sit in a chair, but you forgot to on the fan. How nice would it be if the fan's on itself? Imagine that you are in a rush to get to your work, but you forgot to off your home appliances like fan, tube light, etc. To reduce the loss of electricity, I have made an auto-start fan. An auto-start fan is a fan fixed with a chair. When we sit on the chair, the fan starts to rotate. This happens because I have been connected wires under the cushion with a switch. I have been also connected batteries to make the fan rotate. So when we sit on it, the fan starts to rotate. This can be extended to the bigger chairs which are used in offices. Thank you.
Hi sir. Here is an experiment to confuse your brain. Here is an experiment to confuse your brain, sir. You should read this color within 10 seconds. The procedure of this is our brain confuse and say wrong color. This is only my experiment. That's all.
This application can be used in many things like car, like that. Okay, now I am going to explain about electromagnet. Do you know what is electromagnet? An electromagnet which works with electricity is called an electromagnet. I have a nail with a copper wire, a battery and paper clips. I'm attaching this to here, and here. See why it attracts? Because of the electricity flow through the copper wire and get attract from the nail, so it's attaching. Do you know who found this? This is found by Samuel Morse at 180 years ago. This can be used in motors or anything. Thank you.
Sir, I am Uma from 6th standard.
I am Nitishwar from 6th standard.
Our topic is spinning power. Do you know what is spinning power? Which rotates by the help of gravity. It's called spinning power. Now I am going to lift this. What's happening, sir? It's rotating by the help of gravity, sir. Now he is going to lift this on the magnetic pad.
because the help of the gravitational force the top is rotating.
Now I am going to leave this on the coke tin. Now I am going to leave this on the coke tin. How it's rotating, sir? By the help of gravitational force, it is rotating. Even though it's a small area, it's rotating by the help of gravitational force. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Mayank from 4th. My experiment name is candle seesaw. Have you seen a candle seesaw? This is a candle seesaw. Now, when I light the candle from both the sides, it starts moving like a seesaw. I'll show you a demo. Observe the candle carefully. The wax dips more, it goes down. The wax which dips less, it goes up because of the weight of the candle. It continues for a long time. That's why you call it as candle seesaw. Thank you, sir.